Hello guys, welcome to the Google Ads certification series at beginner level organized by IEEE Committee of KJ Institute of Engineering and Information Technology. And my name is Akshit Mandani and I am also an Google certified digital marketer. So let's begin. Our today's topic is to increase efficiency with automated bidding. But to understand this, we must know that what is the bidding. So let us consider one example. In this example, we will consider that we have created our Google ad and also published it within some budget. Now the user interact with your ads, or we can say the user have clicked your ad and taken some action of buying, shopping, or including promo codes. So when the user interacts with your ad or takes some action through your ads or click on your ads, you have to pay some minimum amount to the Google ad since you are using its Google Ads platform. So that minimum amount is called bidding. But setting the bidding is a very complex and essential challenge in the complete marketing concept, especially for the Google Ads platform. So, there are some key factors that we can keep in mind while setting the automated bidding. Here we are talking about the automated bidding and not the manual bidding, because manual bidding is a quite and challenging task which depends on various sources of the market and the timings and various other different factors. So the first key factor of the automated bidding is the performance. Bids influences that how visible your ads are and the amount of interaction you get in each unique moment. If you don't bid efficiently, you could miss the valuable conversation, because Google have only few amounts of rows, or we can say columns, that in which they can show the ad. And there are many small and big companies who are using the Google Ads platform to reach the more users. So performance of your bidding is must. Second key factor is the auction. The given dynamic nature of the Google Ads platform auction and the appropriate bidding is the quite challenging task. But since we are not doing it manually and going through the automated bidding, this is process all is carried out by the computer, and we will talk about the benefits of the automated bidding in the auction features in further our videos in the same video. So let us skip right it for now. Third is the user journey complexity. So there are many influences user behavior that their intents based on. Intent is the intent signal. Intent signal consists of the user's data. User's data is of two types. First, user browsing histories and behaviors. Second is the user's actual data, which consists of some many private informations like user mails, passwords, and other. So the intent of the intent signal caught by the browsing history and other things are help to the Google Ads to reach the right person at the right moment, based since these intent signals are based on the user behavior. So if you are browsing any education sites, you will only see the education related ads because of that intent signal. So bidding at the right time is also an important, but the user's journey complexity is also important, because if the user's intent signal is not strong, may your ad reach to the wrong person, which may not get converted into the customer. And if it select your ads or just view your ads, then still you have to pay. That's why understanding the user's journey is also a very complex factor while bidding. But let's come again back to our second point, that was the auction. Under the auction, we conclude that there are some benefits of the automated bidding in auctions. First benefit is machine learning. In automated bidding uses the machine learning to algorithms helps you to set the appropriate bid for each and every auction. This takes much of the heavy lifting and the guess working out and saves you from spending more or wasting your resources and money. So, setting the bid and setting your goals, setting the audience, and then let the machine learning do its work is the best practices for the Google Ads automated bidding. It's also time saving since you are letting the computer or the machine learning to do its work and you just observe that how your ad is growing or ad is working, so it saves your lot of time. And cross referencing the audience data with context to establish the intent is the one of the factor that grows and help you to reach the users more and more. So appropriate bidding and timing is combination helps you to reach the more audience at the right time in a very large scale. And auction time bidding, since our bidding algorithms are trained builds to reach the user's unique context using relevant signal presence at the auction time. Since this is a unique capability in the machine learning, and but the market keeps on changes and machine keeps on learning, so it allows the machine learning for bidding in different markets with a high degree of precision based on the conversion opportunity of each auction, that if the auction is made, then may that user get converted into the customer. Also again, the depth of the signal used and cross analysis of the algorithm integrated a large variety of signals and consider new ones to evaluate the user's intent. That is, if the user intent signal is very strong, then there are the chances that it gets converted into the customer. And if you bid or let on the automated bidding, the machine learning bids at the right that time and increase your customer conversations. So the combination of the timing and the bidding and the machine learning algorithms is the key factors that helps you in increasing the efficiency in your bidding.